welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I hope you enjoy the content. If you do, feel free to subscribe and like this video. And if you're returning, welcome back. It's great to have you. So I don't know if you guys are like me, but there has been times I have totally slept in and had to put a full face of makeup on and run out the door in like under 5 minutes. And today I wanted to show you a full face of makeup tutorial on how you can do this in under 5 minutes and get out the door. So some of the products that I'm using today, this is a ColourPop highlight stick. This is in the color Flycatcher. Let's see it. And I am going to be using Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I am using Tati Beauty's Powder Sponge. I actually really enjoy that. I also have the Tarteist Pro palette. This will be used for my contour. And I'm going to be using one of my absolute favorite palettes. This is the Bare Necessities palette from ColourPop. I'll also be using Lights Camera Flashes from Tarte with my BFF mascara from ColourPop. And then I'm going to be using a ColourPop eyeliner alongside an Exotic Vixen gel liner. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Exotic Vixen Cosmetics Eve's Elixir foundation. This holds up all day. It's lightweight, but it literally has the coverage and the wear life of like something along the lines of like Estee Lauder Double Wear. I love this. Talking about Estee Lauder Double Wear, that's the kind of powder I am using. I use this all the time. I'm obsessed with this. And for my lips, I'm going to be using Exotic Vixen Ultra Matte, from the Matte Collection, and the Exotic Vixen in Venus, the gloss. All right, so I'm gonna get a timer ready, and or the stopwatch ready, and I'm gonna time myself, and I'm gonna do my makeup on camera. I hate people seeing me without makeup on, so the fact that I'm actually filming this completely fresh-faced, this is a big step for me. So yeah, let's get to the review. All right, guys, I'm getting my timer ready, and we can see how long it took me to do this makeup. Now, I know a lot of people, they actually, they put their eyes on first, but I don't know. I mean, I'm not a pro makeup artist, but I always prefer to do my foundation first. And don't forget to blend in the neck. Alright, after I put my foundation on, I like to take just powder and press it all in. Alright, and then I'm going to take my setting powder and set it in here. Alright, and I like to put this on places that get a little more oily on my face, more than most. Alright, now I'm going to go into my contour using the Tarteist Pro palette. Gotta get under that jawline. And of course, everybody's face being a different shape, you really want to know how you like your face to be contoured, because everyone's face is completely different. So with that being said, this is how I like my face contoured. We're gonna get to, oh no, I forgot an eye brush. Still did not stop the stopwatch. Put my lid on. I use this to clean the brush. Sorry about the camera angles. I'm trying to get you guys to see it while I'm doing this. Okay, we're gonna dip this back in. Put my brow color on to blend it out. All right. Now we're gonna do the liner. I'm using the ColourPop. I'm gonna go in. Ooh, my arm is hurting. And then I'm going to go in with the bottom liner on Exotic Vixen's gel. This stuff does not, it does not wear off. I love it. It doesn't smudge. Once it's on, it's on. Same with the ColourPop. That stuff lasts all day. Right. Time to brush all this powder off my face. Do my highlights. We are going to buff that highlight. Do my lashes. Doing the lashes, one more lash, do my lips, and then we are done. I hope I made this in 5 minutes, even though I forgot my brush. Okay. My lipstick, this is my favorite nude, well, one of my favorite nudes actually. I'd say I would say this is like in my top 3. And then my gloss. I love this stuff. It is non-sticky. And it just adds shine. All right. Let's see. I did a full face of makeup and forgot my brush. And it came out to 8 minutes and 48 seconds. So not exactly 5 minutes like I was hoping, but it's still not bad. And this, let me fix this eye now that I'm doing this. You know, this is just a quick way. I don't know if you're like me, but there's times where I need my sleep. And sorry, I'm looking at my makeup and I'm like, huh, not bad for an 8-minute job. Yeah, so I don't know if you're anything like me, but there's times where you just sleep in and you don't think you have time to do makeup. But I just wanted to tell you guys today, you do have time. If you have at least 8 minutes in the morning, this is how you can rush your job and still look pretty good. So I hope you guys liked this. If you want to see more videos like this, please comment, send me a message, like, and subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.